Hi everyone, Google Chrome is getting a new interesting feature. It allows generating a QR code for the page you're currently browsing. The generated QR code will encode the page URL. It will be possible to read with a compatible device, with your phone's camera, and share the URL between devices quickly. Google Chrome comes with a number of useful options which are experimental. They are not supposed to be used by regular users, but enthusiasts and testers can easily turn them on. These experimental features can significantly improve the user experience of the Chrome browser by enabling additional functionality. To enable or disable an experimental feature, you can use hidden options called flags. In this video, you learn the steps to enable QR code generator for page URL in Google Chrome. Use these steps. First, open the Google Chrome browser and type the following text in the address bar. Next, select the option Enable from the drop-down list next to the Enable Sharing Page via QR Code line. And restart Google Chrome. You are done. Now, right-click on an open web page in the browser and select Generate QR Code for this page. If you're watching my video for the first time, please make sure to grab the subscribe button to get the thumbs up and turn on your notifications, so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.